Is this where we're going? Or is this where we're going? When you go drilling for oil, you go to extremes. At Welltec, we're up for the challenge. We're dedicated to going where no one else goes, and we know what it takes. Wherever oil companies go looking for oil, we'll go with them. To the secluded tundra, the burning desert, or out on the roaring sea. Because that's where the oil is, in a hostile environment under high temperatures and high pressure. We thrive under pressure, and we've got the drive to move beyond the conventional. With the well tractor, we're able to go into deviated and horizontal wells, and when used in conjunction with our other intervention tools, we will go even further. In an ever-changing world, we need to go on pushing for change. That's the only constant we know. That's our promise. The story of the well tractor begins almost 20 years ago when Welltec founder Jürgen Hallenbeck envisioned a radical solution to the problem of intervention in highly deviated or horizontal oil wells: the well tractor, robot tractoring technology as a tool conveyor. Unlike traditional methods of conveyance and intervention, the well tractor can minimize the demand for heavy equipment and manpower, thereby reducing safety hazards and, very importantly, environmental dangers, and at the same time provide value-creating solutions. It was a simple but revolutionary idea that seemed impossible at the time, but Hallenbeck was convinced it was workable. To make the vision a reality, it took all the qualities that have since become hallmarks of the Welltec mindset: perseverance with a precise and focused attention to detail, imagination and flexibility in the face of new demands and new problems, and exceptionally high expectations to quality and performance. Basically, it's an 18 feet long and slender wheel-driven tool string conveyor that goes into horizontal oil and gas wells with the needed tools and always makes it out again, even when exposed to temperatures of 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 25,000 psi of pressure. In many ways, the wheels of the well tractor are the perfect example of the flexibility of the well tractor solution. Elegant, yet robust. Playful, yet with optimum fail-safe performance. Going into extreme working conditions, like a drilling platform in the volatile North Sea, demands extreme measures from us. Extreme attention to detail, extreme imagination and troubleshooting, and extreme flexibility. At Welltec, we're perfectionists to the fingertips. To us, it's all about the quality of our solutions. The basic guiding principle at Welltec has always been that we buy the best components, machines, and materials on the market. We use the machines used by the best, like Charmy used by the Renault Formula One team, and Akuma with their world-class servicing. The real Welltec concept is to customize and adapt the components manually to our own needs, in conjunction with independent quality observers. We know that every oil well is different, so every job demands a unique solution. The tractor is both high-tech and handmade, and that's the uniqueness of the Welltec way. Our creative research and development department consists of former or still active field engineers and have hands-on, in-the-mud experience. They use it to ensure that the feedback from operations to development is the best possible, and that we always come up with new solutions and are always pushing for change. The most important offspring of our empirical research and development has been the introduction of our own well intervention tools. The well tractor itself combines extreme flexibility with considerable strength. But used with the well stroker, the equivalent of a downhole piston, it can produce a force of up to 30,000 pounds, enough to open even the most stubborn valves. In combination with the well key, the well stroker becomes an even more powerful tool for opening or closing valves and sliding sleeves. The well stroker applies the necessary force to release the valve or sleeve, and the well key makes sure that the right sesame is called with the custom-made profile. The operation can sometimes take only a matter of minutes. If the valve is persisting, we can send down the well miller to drill a hole in the valve. Obstructions are removed with such precision we call it keyhole surgery. The well miller even retrieves the cutout piece as well, so nothing will block the pipe. Or we can clean up afterwards with the well cleaner. The ever-increasing arsenal of service functions shows the incredible versatility of the groundbreaking design of the well tractor. With our rapidly growing network of offices, we ensure that the operational time span is absolutely minimal. Our production shop is available 24/7 and can custom make parts and tool bits and send them around the world in less than a day. The real reason our solutions work is the Welltec culture and mindset embedded in each and every coworker. We have first-rate, dedicated, and motivated employees. They are committed to produce supreme products and achieve groundbreaking results that will take us further. Everyone takes part in the process to make the way from idea to solution the shortest possible. The perspectives for the environment are stunning. With the expansion of robotic and tractor technology, we can operate under the beach at Santa Barbara or in a natural reserve in Alaska without harming the environment. The well tractor has proven itself to play an important role in the quest towards zero emissions and discharges. In the future, we'll be much more than a contingency plan. We aim to be a full-scale well intervention provider. We'd go to the ends of the earth to find just the right ball bearing, the right hydraulic oil, or the right physical vapor deposition to solve one specific problem. If that's what it takes, that's what we'll do.